Hello and welcome back, friends, to another episode of Golden Whispers because Ushi inspires aspirations. Friends, this is a 2 to 5 minute series of daily reflections that aspire to ignite your passions, broaden your horizons, and guide you towards a life filled with a purpose. So get ready to be uplifted and motivated every day with Golden Whispers because Ushi inspires aspirations and cultivate a journey of personal growth together. ये श्रृंखला आपकी प्रेरणाओं को जगाती है और आपके उद्देश्यपूर्ण जीवन की ओर मार्गदर्शन कराती है। ये एक कोशिश है। This is an effort so as to improve on your self-confidence, on your self-development. So today's topic is, friends, stay committed to your goals. You should have the goals. I have been always stating that unless and until you are having a goal in life, you are a mere wanderer. है ना? अरे कहाँ जाना है पता ही नहीं है, तो कहाँ जा रहे हो नहीं पता है, यही तो सवाल है. So you should be committed to your goals. So you should have the goals and you should be committed to them. So commitment to goals means staying dedicated and consistently working towards what you want to achieve. Now you have decided this is where you want to reach, that is what you want to achieve. अब उसी राह पे रोज थोड़ा चलना है, regardless of the challenges or obstacles. Life तो challenges पोस्ट करने ही वाला है. You are not an exception. हर एक को challenges आते हैं, but the successful वही होता है who is committed to the goals. So it requires perseverance, focus, and a strong sense of purpose to keep moving forward even when progress feels slow or difficult. कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है अरे कहाँ जा रहा हूँ, बहुत ही प्रॉब्लम आ रहे हैं, पहुंच पाऊंगा कि नहीं हो पाएगा, मेरा गोल अचीवमेंट होगा कि नहीं. ये सारे सवाल कई बार आ भी जाते हैं मन में, बट वी आर नॉट टू गिव अप. We have to stay committed to the goals. So staying committed to your goals ensures long-term success and personal fulfillment. अब जब सक्सेस मिलेगा तभी तो मन को आनंद मिलेगा, तभी तो आपको अचीवमेंट का फुलफिलमेंट का एक एहसास आएगा. Now without commitment, distraction, setbacks or self-doubt can derail your progress. ये हमेशा की प्रॉब्लम्स है. We always get distracted. मायूस हो जाते हैं बहुत जल्दी. थोड़ा सा भी प्रॉब्लम आ गए तो हमें लगता है कि जिंदगी ने, भगवान ने हमारे लिए ही प्रॉब्लम छोड़े हैं. नहीं. You have to overcome those challenges. You have to change your style of function, but not to change your focus. You have to be committed to your goals. So that can happen only when you persevere, overcome the difficulties, build discipline, and develop resilience needed to achieve meaningful results. Now, once you have decided to achieve the goals, the resilience capability should be enhanced. You have to ये तो ऑटोमेटिकली हो ही जाता है, बट आपको उसे और बढ़ाना है. दैट यू शुड नेवर गिव अप ऑन सर्टेन सेटबैक्स. सेटबैक्स कभी भी आते हैं, यू हैव टू जंप बैक विद द डबल फोर्स. That is what, when that will happen only when you are committed to your goals. So you have to be, for that you have to set clear goals, realistic goals. अब आसमान पे छू लूंगा तो फिर तारे जमीन पे लाऊंगा, अरे ये थोड़े डिफिकल्ट गोल्स है. So that is what you have to understand. Set realistic goals. Stay consistent. रोज थोड़ा अपनी गोल की तरफ चलना ही है. Whether we are walking or working towards our goals is the question. Consistency plays more important part, friends. You have to adapt and learn. You have to adapt to the circumstances and learn from the circumstances. Never give up on the circumstances. That is what we have to do when we have to achieve something which we have set for. जिंदगी किसकी? आपकी. डिसाइड किसने किया? आपने. तो अचीव करना ही है. तो सर्कमस्टांसेस बदलते रहेंगे, लेकिन हमें अपने गोल का फोकस नहीं चेंज करना है. So this will keep you motivated. अब जब खुद काम करने लग जाओगे तो एक एक अचीवमेंट होता जाएगा, आपके स्किल्स एक्सप्लोर होते जाएंगे, तब आपको समझ में आएगा अरे इतने सारे स्किल्स मुझ में भी है. So you will automatically get motivated to work towards your goals. And that is how the process works, friends. It is a time tested method. You have got tremendous skills. The only thing is that we are not exploring our skills because we are not having we have not set a clear and achievable goal, and we are not committed to our goals. करके देखा, फिर जिंदगी बदलती जाएगी, बेहतर होती जाएगी, यकीनन. So commitment is the key to turning dreams into reality. So सपने देखे हैं, पूरे भी तो करने हैं, पूरे करने के लिए कमिटेड होना बहुत जरूरी है. So when you stay dedicated and persistent, you develop the strength and discipline. ऑटोमेटिक आ जाता है. अब तय किया है कि नहीं ऐसे ही करना है तो डिसिप्लिन आ ही जाता है. सुबह उठोगे फटाफट काम पे लग जाओगे, वो अपने गोल की तरफ थोड़ा अपना काम करोगे, प्लान करोगे. You will have your hours slotted for the work. That is how we proceed further, friends. So you push the past difficulties and accomplish your aspirations. Difficulties तो आएंगी, but now you are ready to push them back to overcome the challenges and navigate your life towards successful life. So success is not about speed. नहीं, बहुत जल्दी करना है. नहीं, जल्दबाजी मत करो, प्लान करो. So it is not about speed, but consistent effort over time. So stay committed and the results will follow automatically, friends. Hence I say, stay committed to your goals. I sign off on this note, friends, and we meet again in another episode of Golden Whispers because she inspires aspirations. Till then, bye-bye. Enjoy the day, friends. Enjoy the life. It is a one-time activity. Do enjoy.